Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS350d AMG line Premium Plus we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the specifications you get on this particular model of car. To begin with, you've got the optional Designo Hyacinth red metallic paintwork. You've also got the optional privacy glass fitted to the car. You've got some of the AMG line exterior trim features being displayed around the car here, with the multi-spoke alloy wheels, the chrome trim on the front of the car, on the side and on the rear of the car. You've got the door handles with chrome as well. You've got LED tail lights as part of your AMG line inclusions, and also the multi-beam LED headlight system at the front as well. You've got a full leather interior as standard with lumbar support as standard. You've got the bespoke brown floor mats with the red lettering to match the exterior paintwork. You've got the Premium Plus equipment line as part of this model's inclusions. That gets you the full electric functions with the memory settings for the driver and the passenger on the door cards. You get the Harman & Kardon surround sound system with the speakers on the door cards as well. The Keyless Go comfort package with the push to start button next to the steering wheel. The panoramic glass sunroof above. The Easy Pack tailgate and the reversing camera accessible through the centre screen area. Some of your standard inclusions consist of the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, where you've got access to cruise control and an electric steering column as well, which also works in pair with the memory package from the Premium Plus. You've got the gloss oak wood inlay trims throughout the centre console and door card areas as well, and across the dash. Your infotainment controls, some of your dynamic driving modes, your climate control functions, and some of your infotainment controls, as well as your heated seat functions further up the dashboard. You've got the clock with some of the chrome trim surrounds, and then the centre screen again, where you've got access to some of your infotainment features such as DAB radio, and also your reversing camera function again, which was part of the Premium Plus pack. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS350d AMG line Premium Plus, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.